So this is gonna be the 100 subscriber video and unboxing video. Guys, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I appreciate it. So this video is gonna be the unboxing video. And yeah, just one more time. Again, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. That means a lot. And yeah, so let's take a look at this device. It's made by F.C.S.E. It's a smoke alarm, it's a fire detector, it's a smoke detector, or kind of like that. And yeah, and this was technically made like probably like in the 90s. So yeah, so this thing is a hidden cover for easy battery replacement, and it's a battery include 5-year limit warranty. So technically this alarm will probably last for like 5 years until the battery will go low, and that alarm will start chirping. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Here it is. Oh my god. I finally got one in my collection. And this is the back of it. There's nothing too much special. So that's the model number right there. It's SA67D. And yeah. So this is very cool. I finally got one in my collection. So, well, this is technically a second generation, but I still love these kind of alarms. It's pretty cool. Well, they're technically smoke detectors. Well, they're same thing, though. Well, yeah. And I'm not really sure the voltage, yeah, yeah, I don't see the voltage. Yeah, I don't see the voltage. Yeah, I'm not really sure the voltage of this. If you guys can comment below, I would appreciate it. But, and yeah, so, as you can see, there's the light right here. Yeah, and it's supposed to beep like every single minute, but it's pretty weird. And you see the logo of F.C.S.E. logo. Yep, and there's also one back up here, as you can tell. Yeah. So I got some bad news. I'm not gonna be able to test this because so let me tell you why. So yeah, so yeah, this thing is not doing anything. I'm trying to I'm holding the button really hard, yeah, it's not doing anything. So I don't know. So maybe it's just getting old or something. I don't know. But let's take a look inside. So yeah, I'm not really sure. So this is the sensor right there. Where there's smoke, it'll activate the horn right there. That's the electronic horn where it makes the beeping and the chirping noise. And there's a battery, which is technically fine. So let me explain. So so this battery is technically fine, but I'm not quite sure how this is not working, because last time when I changed it, because last time when I had this battery on this alarm, and I changed it, and and it still didn't work. Like, that battery used to be on that first slur right there, and that one worked, which is a little bit confused of. Yeah, and so I took that battery out on that first slur alarm, and I put it in for this one, and then and when I tested it, didn't do anything. So yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to test this. So yeah, but you guys can comment down below what's up with this thing. I would have appreciated it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the video of the F.C.S.E S67D. And yeah, thanks for watching, and have a good day everyone.